Hi, I'm Jackie Gibson. I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications at Pillars, the largest nonprofit provider of mental health and social services in the western and southwestern suburbs. We held an On the Table event on May 10th in our LaGrange Park office to gather representatives across town to talk about how we can improve community health together. Among the people in the room was the LaGrange Police Chief, the head of the First National Bank in town, and the pastor of the First Congregational Church, among others. The eye-opening finding is that people across town really don't know what we do. And as the marketing director, that was painful. But our attendees also understood our challenges. We have more than 30 programs spanning everything from Head Start preschool for low-income families to mental health to a domestic violence shelter. And we cover a wide service area from Oak Park down to Palos Hills, from Downers Grove over to Cicero. So it's a challenge to cover that broad of an area. Further, we just really haven't had the resources in recent years to be able to make people aware of our services. We've had to put our dollars toward raising more dollars to keep our programs running. Enter Project Talk of the Town. It's important for people to know there's a place that will help them in a crisis and be there for them throughout their journey to health and self-sufficiency. With $1,000, we can do a lot to get the word out about Pillars. First, we can create 1,000 tear-off flyers that can be hung on bathroom stall doors in the LaGrange area at churches and businesses. We know there's a lot of stigma around things like mental health and addictions, and people are probably more likely to get that information privately rather than publicly. Second, business leaders at On the Table express they don't have employee assistance programs and they'd like to refer their employees to Pillars. So for $400, we can develop folders that can be handed out during new employee orientations across the LaGrange area. Third, we would use $500 to purchase 2,000 rubber wristbands to give to potential clients around town. The outside of the bracelet would say "Stand Strong" as Pillars with us. The inside would discreetly have our website and phone number for anyone who wants to reach out for help. It's vital we make the community more aware of who we are quickly to get those in crisis help as soon as possible. So thank you so much for considering us, and thanks for creating On the Table.